Hello, I'd like to talk to you today about the potential of creating a teacher portfolio based on the Blendspace website. As you heard on May 7th, a possible tool that we could use as an evaluation method would be to create a portfolio of work in Blendspace. The goals that were outlined were that teacher would have 3 goals: a professional, a student, and a PLC goal. And then the holding place would be to use Blendspace, as it says in what was handed out to the staff, that could be shared with both administration and other teachers in the peer review process. So I'd like to go through what Blendspace looks like first. Again, you can see here that I am on the home page. If you go to the home page, you can click on the middle and you could see the different lessons. If you want to create a new lesson, you could tap on the blue New Lesson tab. Otherwise, I'm going to open one that has already been created. As you can see on here, this will always bring you to home. The templates gives you options for what you would like your portfolio to look like. You also can choose themes, and basically it provides you with if you want dark or if you want to give color to your portfolio. The play button will enable you to play it or anybody else who views it. The print option would be if you want to print some of the documents that are within it. If you'd like to give it a subject and make it public, other people could also see your portfolios. If you'd like to share it, you could click on the Share tab and provide this link or copy this link and then send it by email to perhaps another peer or teacher who could then use your portfolio and give you ideas, or you could also submit it to the administration so that they could view your portfolio. In order to add things to your portfolio that you possibly have used, you would use the toolbar on the right side. Perhaps you have created videos that you can upload to YouTube. You could either tap on YouTube and search them. Otherwise, if you have made it private, you could put the link in this box here and then put that in there and then drag it in, as I have done over here with a commercial made by a student. In Google, if there's different images you'd like to drag in, you could do that. Or perhaps a website that you have used in your class, you could also put that in there. Open Ed is a field where it's mainly math and science based, but they are adding more, and it's documents that have been shared by other teachers. Flickr would allow you to do pictures. Some of you have been using EduCreations with your students. If a student has shared work with you and you'd like to put that in your portfolio to show student engagement, you could put the link here and your EduCreations would pop up. If you are just looking for a different web page that you have used, for instance here you could see that I added Kahoot since I use that a lot in my class. You could put Kahoot in here, as you could see here. And the website shows up and you can drag it. You could see here it's an image, but if you want the website, you could take this and then simply drag it into your portfolio. If you have files saved, for instance, any kind of activity you have used in class, whether it be worksheet or presentation based, you could upload it using this tab directly from your computer. So you would click on Choose File and you would see your U drive in here, and in that way you could upload files. In the same way, you could use Dropbox, or also anything that you have saved from Google Drive could be dropped in at this point. Once you're done, you could also, based on if you have received different goals, as you could see here, Mr. Bierke shared his evaluation, his professional growth plan with us. If you have that saved, you could also search for that in Google Drive and drop that into your Blendspace too as a document, as a reference for both your peers and the administration. And that way, again, after you're all done, you could share this completed project with whoever would be interested in viewing it.